It appears the homeless camp that was cleared in Vernon earlier this year on Highway 97 and 48th Ave has sprung back up. Recently, the province, along with the City of Vernon, announced more shelter beds are coming to town.
BC Housing, the City of Vernon, and Turning Points Collaborative Society are fully aware of the gap in the housing continuum right now. So our goal is to open up Compass so that we can provide a space for individuals that are in line to go into housing. And so it's to hold them in a safe place until they can get into more permanent housing.
The area of highway where the homeless camp is located is owned by the province. Castanet reached out to the Ministry of Transportation and they provided us with this email statement.
Compass is going to be a 40-bed bridge housing complex. The sole purpose really behind it is we know that there is a significant portion of individuals living on the streets in poverty and in homelessness, and there aren't enough shelter beds.
With these three projects, we will see a significant dent in the number of individuals sleeping outside.
The Ministry of Transportation has issued an eviction notice, and they've also stated that the area is an unsafe spot to take shelter. For Castanet News, I am Chantal Deacon in Vernon.